All right, here we go. We got Meow Meow here, Thor's hammer. Yes, it's Claire. We got this rifle sighted in at 100 yards with lever revolution rounds. And what we're going to do is we're going to back it out to 200 yards and take the shot and see what kind of drop we have out of 200. So, y'all, trying to keep that from not falling on my foot because that's a big, heavy gun. And y'all just stick around and see what kind of drop we got going on. 4570 lever revolution bullet drop at 200 yards, 0 to 100. Pretty cut and dry. Ammunition is so damn expensive for this thing. 2 shots is good enough. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. This is a 4570 lever revolution rounds. Doing the scorpion check real quick on the ground. And sighted in at 100 yards. Aiming right here. Yeah, I gotta make a little bit of adjustment windage wise. But other than that, the elevation, I mean, if you go right straight across between the two, I mean, that's if you take the average of these 2 shots, because that would be right there on top of that. So if you go down, that's maybe an inch at 200 yards from 100. It's not bad. Remember, you got to throw in the margin of error with the wobble. But, so yeah, it could be down lower, it could be up higher. But, yeah, that ain't bad. Right there, 200 yards. Need to go to the right just a hair. And we are on the money. I mean, that's at 4570. A lot of people don't think that's an accurate round. And that is a damn good round. Those are within an inch. Right there. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all. If you're ever wondering what the drop is, so we're sighted in there at 100. Here we come down to 200. Maybe an inch. Thanks for watching.